Okay, every wing cover has its own bag. Those bags are located in the cargo compartment in the aircraft. Another thing I would like to show is that the aircraft has its own book right here. This is a 172 book, and there's different tabs. We have an aircraft flight log, so basically you have to put, if you zoom in here, you can put the hops when you start and the hops where it stops, as you told the time that you've been flying, and the person or the persons that they've been flying. Also add to this, we have a discrepancy form, BR test record, and here there's another page where we have context number just in case you guys need it. Cessna 172M model, speeds and limitations, and useful information like Merrifield facilities is all back here. In the book, there's always going to be inside the aircraft. The POH is located in the glove compartment, and it's a pretty simple aircraft. So if you want to take a nice look how it looks,